There was a time when government would make an announcement and citizens would listen. They might agree, they might disagree, but they would at least give government the benefit of the doubt. Today, that benefit of the doubt appears to be gone. The uproar over the proposed Ebola quarantine facility in Laikipia is perhaps the latest and clearest example of the widening trust deficit between government and the people it governs. Listen carefully to what many Kenyans are saying. They are not debating the science of Ebola or its dangers. They are not questioning the need for preparedness. They are not even discussing international cooperation. Their question is much simpler. Why was this happening in secret? If this is such a good idea, why was it not openly discussed from the beginning? It's not the facility itself that's the issue now, but trust. Trust is built when governments are transparent and when citizens feel informed rather than managed. Trust is built when difficult decisions are explained before they're implemented, not after they're exposed. Unfortunately, many Kenyans now seem to approach government explanations with suspicion rather than confidence. And that suspicion did not emerge overnight. It has been accumulating over time. From promises that never materialize, from projects that are announced but never completed, policies introduced without adequate public participation, and decisions that appear to be made first and explained later. In fact, a new TIFA survey released today appears to confirm just how deep this trust deficit has become. According to the survey, nearly 3 out of every 4 Kenyans believe the country is headed in the wrong direction. Even more telling, virtually every major public institution recorded significantly higher levels of distrust than trust. Parliament, the police, political parties, county governments, the presidency, and even independent institutions all recorded negative ratings. That finding is important because it suggests that what we are witnessing is not just opposition to one project. It is a broader crisis of confidence. Citizens are increasingly questioning not just what government is doing, but why it is doing it, and whether they are being told the whole truth. This is a result of broken promises, unanswered questions, policies introduced fast and explained later. Viewed through that lens, the public reaction becomes easier to understand. The result is that even when government may have legitimate reasons for a decision, many citizens are no longer